Set up the mobile. Next. Okay. Click on next. This is not required. Click on next. Agree. Okay, you have to set the date and time. Here you have to give the first name. I have given the first name. Don't give the swapping. Skip anyway. No. Next. Okay, then skip. Finish. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Now set up the time. The time is auto detected, but you have to go to the setting, then the date and time over here, and make it automatic. And the time zone should be this. Everything, the time zone should be Indian Standard Time. Okay, that's fine. Everything is done. Now go up to go to the about device and device software update and download automatically. Make it off. Okay, now you have to developer mode is on, so you have to go to about device, software info, click on this build number 5 times to make this developer option on. Once the developer option is there, the stay awake option should be on. This option should be on. Okay, and that's it. Now last we have to go to the security and lock screen. It will make it to none. Make sure it's very important. Make sure it's none. Now you have to download the application from Google Play, and you have to set up a account to download the application, and then download the application and install. I'll do that. Now search Thita NFC. Install. It will take time. You see, this application is installed. Then click on this application, it will load. It will take some time. And you can see it is already asking the language. You can check anything. You can click on start up. It takes some time to start the application. Now this is the tutorials which is on. Read the terms and condition, then continue. Now you have to just need to sign in the application. The username and password, device password are different, so I need to sign in it. I'll just sign in. Now click on sign in. Now it is starting the synchronization. The synchronization process will take time. So according to the number of strength, if it is 1000 students, then it will maximum take around 10 minutes to synchronize all data into the mobile, so that the application can take offline attendance. Whether the internet is not there, it can take attendance. Student is synchronizing the data. It's dependent upon the speed of the internet as well. If it is a faster internet, it will take less time, and it's my internet is a little bit slow, and data is around 400 data, so it will take time. The synchronization is complete. Now I can see the data over here in the punch, so I can see the data, everything. So I have to click on this and install the device, and just give the device to. That's it. Now see the settings over here, notification, and if you want to see the settings, also setting, you want to turn up this, you can change this voice, flashlight on. So you show this card. So the plus slide on search invalid card is not registered, so it's showing invalid card. Mainly in this settings, turn off the plus always because the plus slide is making problem. Okay, so you can change the language as well to Hindi. So everything will in Hindi.